welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Denisha Latrice, and you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Love Me Hair. They sent your girl over this gorgeous, sassy, jazzy 13x4 bob lace frontal wig, honey, and baby, she is amazing. But before we get into the details of this unit, we're gonna go ahead and do an install, and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. What's up, y'all? So we're about to get into this gorgeousness right here. Y'all see this beautifulness right here? Y'all see it? Yes. Oh yeah, y'all see this gorgeousness, baby. Yeah, so we're about to get into it. It's been a minute since I did 13x4 frontal, because this is what this is, 13x4. But we're gonna get into the nitty-gritty. We're gonna have her looking absolutely fabulous. Okay, we're gonna take our time and we're gonna get it looking right. All right, okay, so let's go and put her on.
The buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we?
Okay. Right, y'all, let's get her looking good. Y'all know it's bob season, right? So first thing first, we are going to use my handy dandy wax stick. I got this off of Amazon, and I am going to link everything. I'm gonna try to remember to link everything. If it's not in the description box, let me know and I will link it. But we're going to wax stick the front of this unit so we can get all the flyaways out the way and we can really see how this hairline is. All right, this is big head friendly for sure, but without a shadow of a doubt, it's big head friendly. It's roomy, but it does have an adjustable band on it. So it has an adjustable strap and an adjustable band. So if you needed to be a little more tighter on your head, you can adjust it. Like, let me be thinking about everything. Let me be trying to take care of y'all, okay? Next, we're going to use my hot comb just so we can put everything back and it's out the way.
Tell me what that is, tell me what to fix. Cause baby, I do it, you do it, we do it all the time. Pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let?
Okay, now that we got it flat ironed back, I'm going to clip it back some. But do y'all see the hairline? Like, this looks absolutely amazing. It is not plucked at all. This is how it looks right out of the box, y'all. Right out of the box. No plucking at all. It looks amazing. Now I'm going to cut it in sections so it better help me lay the lace down. Just gonna do one section. And y'all, don't be talking about my scissors. I need to get me some shears.
Why do we do the things we do?
I have a hard time cutting around my ear. But we gonna try and see can we get it right today. Okay, next I'm going to be using my Got To Be Glue Blast and Freeze spray, and I'm just going to spray it in the front. I'm going to do a section at a time.
Cause it keeps me on my toes.
I want to blow dry it on cool air so we can get it tacky.
Shouldn't feel like that. I do it, you do it, we do it all the time. Pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe just for a while? Cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it deep inside. We too addicted to friction to change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of us do.
we're going to use my strap from luvmehair to finish continuing laying the lace down while we get into the hair.
So tell me, is it love, 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 love when you're provoking jealousy?
Now, while the lace is continuing to melt, we're gonna get into this hair a little bit. We are going to finish wax sticking it.
We do it all the time, pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe just for a...
Now we're gonna hot comb it.
Cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we need help with these bad habits and foolish pride. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it sure ain't love.
Now I'm going to take my flat iron and we're just gonna flat iron it all the way around.
That makes us do all the stupid that we do. All of the stupid that we do. Why do we do the things we do?
Now we about to take off this strap and see how this lace did.
Yeah. You feel
Okay, y'all see that? Okay. It looks like it's coming out of my scalp, y'all. I am loving it. Look at that. Y'all, okay. Now we're about to get this eyebrow razor and we're gonna cut the rest of this lace off and see how it do. Then we're gonna do the finishing touches and that's gonna be it.
all the time, pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind.
I'm gonna have to clip this back.
While, cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we too addicted to friction to change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it sure ain't love.
We done cut the lace and it has a cast going around it. So I'm gonna spray some more because some of it has lifted a little bit by me cutting it. We're gonna spray just a little bit. Or what I'm gonna do instead is spray it on this and put it on there. Alright y'all, so we have cut the lace and tried to get it back looking fabulous, but as y'all can see it does have like a white cast going around it and that ain't cute. So what we're gonna do is we are going to use my black radiance contour palette in the medium to dark, and I'm going to be using this middle shade right there. Got my little F brush. It's a blending brush, and we're just gonna go around the edges just so we can get rid of that cast getting all up in the hairline. You see that? That looks good. That looks really, really good. Okay. Make sure we get up in there.
Yeah. You feel alive when you don't call when you supposed to. Cause it keeps me on my toes. It kinda makes me want you more. I get a kick from going out when you don't want me to. Knowing you're at home buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let?
And this is cute, y'all. This is cute. Y'all see the lace? It looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Like, it looks really, really good. Now I'm gonna get some concealer and put it in the parting. Alright, y'all, this is cute. I am liking this.
Stupid that we do. No, it ain't love, love, love that makes us do all the stupid that we do. All of the stupid that we do. Why do we do the things we do? Yeah, you.
Alright, y'all see? This is cute. It's different, but cute and absolutely gorgeous. Do y'all see that hairline? Do y'all see the hairline? And the lace melted really, really good into my skin. It melted really, really good. Like, it looks like this is literally coming out of my scalp, y'all. Y'all see that? Wow. Oh my God. This looks absolutely amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. Y'all see that shine to it? Like, this looks so good. Absolutely amazing. I'm liking the highlight to it. Gives it some sass to it. It gives it some attitude, some I'm here, look at me. You know, this is a classic bob with a twist. You know, she looks so cute. She is a statement. She's coming to make a statement. You talking about boss babe? This is her. You talking about elegant? This is her. Sophistication? This is her. She is amazing. And she's perfect for summer or spring, so I am loving it. It's lightweight. Do y'all see just how gorgeous? Do y'all see that? Like, honey, what are you talking about? So let me show you the back. So cute, and she's lightweight. She's big head friendly. The lace melts so good. The hairline is so good. I did not do any plucking to this unit at all, and she looks like she's coming right out of my scalp.
Ooh, yeah, yeah, baby. No. We never said exclusive. I just promise.
Alright, y'all, so let's get into the details of this unit, but first let me show you what Love Me sent your girl. They sent over some goodies in their Love Me bag, their little pouch. In that pouch they sent over a strap to help lay down your edges, a baby hair brush comb combo, some wig caps, and they sent over a reversible bonnet and a bag to store your unit. Absolutely appreciate everything Love Me sent your girl. Now let's get into the details of this unit. So they sent your girl over this 10-inch 13x4 blonde highlight bob lace frontal wig. I am loving the blonde highlight that's in the front, just framing the face so effortlessly. Like, she looks amazing, y'all. She looks absolutely amazing. This is a edgy blonde highlight bob, baby. Be ready for the summer or the springtime with this unit. It is a face framing unit. You also can do this in multiple partings. You can do a C part like what I'm doing. You can do a middle part, a left side, right side, whatever whatever your heart desires, this unit got you covered. It is a blunt cut style and it's very comfortable. It doesn't fit too loose or too tight. It actually is very comfortable to put on your head, and it is big head friendly, y'all. Big head friendly. This unit is very versatile, so however you want to style it, you have the option to do that. And the knots are pre-bleached right out of the box. It looks like it's coming right out of my scalp. I did not do any plucking or any bleaching. So LUV has done a fantastic job with their Bob Series 2.0, baby. They got you covered for your everyday wear. This can be worn for any occasion, any time of the day. This also is an affordable HD lace. Y'all can't tell me that y'all see this lace, baby. Like, look at that. Look how gorgeous this is. This is not a beginner friendly type of unit. You're going to need a little experience, a little skill to put this on, but it is not hard to put on. The lace melts so well into my skin. It was very easy to melt down, but it's not a beginner friendly type of unit, so you will need a little experience or skill to put this unit on. I did not get any tangles in this unit, none whatsoever, but I did get a little bit of shedding. Not too much. You're not getting a handful of hair, but I did get a little bit of shedding in this unit. So let me tell you some more about this unit. Like I said, this is 10 inches. It is 100% human hair. This unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. The density is 150%. It also has 4 combs, one on each side, one in the middle, and one in the back. It comes with an adjustable strap and an attached band that can be adjusted to help you get a more secure fit on your head, just like the attached strap as well. The hair color is a natural color with the blonde highlight in the front. This unit can be dyed, so if you want to add some more highlights, you do have the option to do that as well. The circumference of this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. The lace is a medium brown. I did have to go in and put some powder on my lace to help blend it into my skin, but it is really good. It melts good into my skin. I just had to put a little bit of powder in to help blend it in more. The lace area is 13 by 4. As I said earlier, you do have the option to part it in numerous ways. The knots are pre-bleached. They did take a step away by bleaching the knots for you, so you do not have to do that. This unit does give a more natural feel, as y'all can see from the hairline. It looks like it's coming right out of my scalp, baby. Like, I am loving luvmehair units. They are 100% great quality and luxury and elegance all wrapped in one, honey. Okay. I would like to thank luvmehair for sponsoring this video, and if you are interested in this sassy little bob right here, head on over into my description box for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else luvmehair has to offer, make sure you check out the next video, and I'll check you over there. Bye.
What happened was over.